Welcome to your Model 3. This video will cover how to access your Tesla, including how to use your keys and get inside. Phone Key allows you to use your phone's Bluetooth connectivity to automatically unlock your Model 3 as you approach, power on when you're ready to drive, and lock as you walk away. To set up Phone Key, enable Bluetooth on your phone, open the Tesla app, and follow the prompts. You can also use your Apple Watch to control your vehicle. Set up Watch Key by pairing your phone with your Apple Watch and opening the Tesla app. Your phone and watch will be able to function as a key even without a cellular connection. Your Tesla also comes with a key card that can be used to unlock and lock your Model 3. We recommend always keeping your key card with you in case your device is unavailable or if you need to give someone else access to your Model 3, like a valet. To unlock using your key card, place it against the driver's side door pillar. The exterior lights will flash, and the horn will sound if this setting is enabled. Open the door by pressing your thumb into the widest part of the door handle. The handle will pivot to an open position. Pull it to open. Once inside, your Tesla will automatically power on when you press the brake pedal. If using your key card instead of your phone key or watch key, power on Model 3 by placing the key card on the wireless phone charger and pressing the brake pedal. If you wait more than 2 minutes to power on, you will need to remove and place the key card on the wireless phone charger again to re-authenticate. To exit, press the button at the top of the interior door handle and push the door open. In the unlikely situation where Model 3 has no power, you can open the front doors by pulling the manual door release located in front of the window switches. You can open the rear doors by sliding your finger into the slot at the bottom of the rear door pocket. Lift the cover to remove and pull the mechanical release up. Once you've exited, place the key card against the driver's side door pillar to lock. With Phone Key and walk-away door lock enabled, Model 3 will automatically lock when you walk away. The exterior lights will flash and, if enabled, the horn will sound, confirming that your Model 3 is locked.